Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Chloe here at Integrated Health Solutions in downtown Indianapolis, and today I want to talk about a very important topic, recovery after working out. So, whether you're crushing it at the gym or going for those long runs, recovery can be just as important as the workout itself, and sometimes might even make or break your progress. So, today I want to talk about how chiropractic care, Normatec boots, cryotherapy, float, and the infrared sauna can all benefit you in your recovery. After a hard workout, your muscles go through micro tears. This is actually how they go ahead and get stronger. Now, if we don't allow for proper recovery, this micro tears can eventually lead to soreness, fatigue, and even muscle injury. Now, when we allow the proper time for rest and recovery, we can allow those micro tears to heal properly and endure greater strength moving forward. Now, recovery isn't just about rest. It's about allowing your body the proper movement and function so that way those micro tears can heal and come back even stronger. One of the most effective and my favorite way to recover after a hard workout is through chiropractic treatments. Now, chiropractic treatments aren't just with adjustments. We utilize the adjustments. We utilize soft tissue work, dry needling, and even exercise rehab to get the body feeling better and functionally moving. So how do all of these treatments help with recovery? First, spinal adjustments really help to centrate the joints within the spine and through any joint in your body to allow better mobility and function while you continue to work out. Next, we have soft tissue work. We utilize things like myofascial release in order to decrease tension and trigger point activity and really break up those knots to increase blood flow to flush out a lot of that lactic acid that can get built up during your workouts. We have dry needling, which might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most effective ways in reducing tension and trigger point activities within your muscles. We utilize that by inserting the filaments into the muscles to release that deep tension and trigger point activity we can't get with soft tissue work alone. And this helps to increase that blood flow and reduce any pain that you're feeling. Lastly, we have exercise rehab. This is going to be soft movements throughout the body to allow the body the movement during recovery and resting days, but keeps that blood flowing to flush out all that lactic acid and promote better healing through the micro tears that we endured during our workouts. When we combine all of these treatments together, they work synergistically in order to allow balance within the body, reduce pain, discomfort, and allow better mobility moving forward. While chiropractic care is great for your recovery, we have a few other options we can supplement with care, so let's go ahead and take a look. We have the Normatec boots, which are great for increasing blood flow, decreasing soreness throughout the extremities, and we have those for the legs, the hips, and the shoulders. We have our cryotherapy chamber, which exposes your body to cold temperatures and can reduce inflammation, speed up muscle repair. We have the infrared sauna. The heat from the infrared sauna penetrates deep into your muscles, boosting circulation and helping your body detox. It is very relaxing. We have the float tank, which is a salt water that provides total relaxation, reduces stress, and helps your muscles decompress. Now remember, your body needs to recover in order to improve. So whether you come in to utilize one of our recovery services or to come see one of our doctors here in the office, we want to make sure that you're feeling your best next time you get into your workout. So make sure to utilize these tools in order to decrease muscle soreness and prevent future injuries.